Alright guys, so we just got a quick video today. Gotta switch out to these MX pegs on the FXBB. Should be real quick and simple, so let's go. So we're gonna be switching out these red MX pegs with these black ones by Flow. These are just generic ones you can buy off of Amazon. Yeah, I mean I picked these up used for like 50 bucks, but they're pretty good. Alright, so first thing you want to do, it's pretty simple. You just want to take off this snap ring. Let's see if I can get it focused. You can see it right there. There you go. So you want to take off the snap ring right here. You're just going to need snap ring pliers. Alright, once you get this little guy out, you wanna get this pin right here, push it out. You gotta be careful for this spring. Alright, push it out and just catch that spring. Alright, now that we got the old one out, we're gonna put the new one in, like so, and just reinstall it the way you took it out. Alright, just in case you guys don't know, this spring right here goes into that hole into the peg, and then the other end goes into this hole. So what you want to do first is just insert this end into, so make sure it's in the peg like that. And what you want to do is insert this into this hole, lined up. And you want to get the pin, slide it in, and just pull it up, just like that. And then you're gonna use your snap ring, your old one. If you haven't destroyed the old one, I would recommend getting a whole set of snap rings and just replacing it. Once you put the snap ring back on, you're pretty much done. Well, that's pretty much it guys. Like I said, it's a short video. Yeah, peace.